Okay, you guys all remember which way you're going in, right?
This year, the first day of school will feel different. Take the Reynolds School District. Administrators expect an instant reminder of what normal used to feel like.
The difference this school year is we're actually opening in person at the beginning of the school year. So it's the first time we've done that in a couple of years. And so we're excited about that.
As for masks, those will be optional for students, the way they were at the end of last year. And there are more changes. This month, the CDC relaxed some of its COVID guidelines. They no longer recommend cohorting, that is, when kids from different classrooms are kept apart. If you've been exposed to COVID or had close contact with someone who has it, they recommend wearing a mask, but say it's not necessary to quarantine. And if you test positive, stay home for 5 days, then mask up for 5 days after that.
Masking at times and ventilation will continue to be key as we adjust to the COVID-19 variants that may come our way, as well as other respiratory illnesses.
On Wednesday, state health and education authorities suggested parents have their children vaccinated and boosted as soon as possible. Beyond that, they said each county will determine their own protocols.
I was very excited at what CDC is encouraging all us to do, which is sort of take personal responsibility.
Ann Loeffler is deputy health officer for Multnomah County. She thinks the changes will benefit kids socially, emotionally, and practically.
The schools will not have the capacity to identify or track anybody who is exposed either in school or in their social settings, or ask anyone or insist that anyone mask. But I'm hoping this is just the way our society will evolve. This will be good common sense. This is what we do for our community.
Here's another change. Gone are the days when you send a child to school, even if you think they just have the sniffles.
We're not going to school or work sick anymore.
Health officials and every school district we checked with told us there's no room for taking chances.
We still want parents to, check their children before, taking them to school and make sure they're not showing any signs or symptoms. And if they are, keep them home.
Here's to a new, safe, and healthy school year. Catherine Cook, KGW News.